आई वांट टू से दैट किसी का घर सजा कुर्सी बेड और मेज से, किसी का घर सजा कुर्सी बेड और मेज से, कोई बाप अपना जमीन के साथ साथ जमीन भी बेच दिया परेशान होकर दहेज से। एंड आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल्सो से दैट अंडर डाउरी प्रोविजन एक्ट 1961 it is illegal if you take dowry, if you give dowry, they both thing is illegal। संघर्षों की साये में घंघोर जवानी पलती है, ये देश उधर मुड़ जाता है जिस ओर जवानी चलती है। तो विरासत से तय नहीं होते सियासत के फैसले, ये उड़ान बताएगा कि आसमान किसका हो। Good morning, namaskar, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Viraj and today I gonna share about dowry system. First of all, I would like to pay the thanks to my honorable sir who has given me this golden chance to say something on the front of you. Now I gonna share about dowry system. Dowry means a person gives to their daughter money, land and property, furniture, everything to their daughter. It's called dowry. Its definition for right now. But previous time peoples were giving to their daughter furniture, money and gold chain as a gift, not a dowry. But nowadays peoples are demanding, I need a car, I need a bike, I need a falana dhikana. This is not good for us because this is, if a father not able to give dowry too much to their daughter, they decrease self-respect inner side. They have a mentally pressure to mental health. This is a very big issue for our country. This is a very big issue for our society. And when dowry start and how to dowry start, let's see about that. Dowry start in ancient time in India around 200 AD during Manusmriti book. You should know Manusmriti book. This is a very harmful book for our society. You should know about that. Dowry comes from Manusmriti book, and a father give dowry to their daughter. If a father not able to give too much dowry to their daughter, he sold property, land and too much thing for their daughter because of dowry. I want to say that किसी का घर सजा कुर्सी बेड और मेज से, किसी का घर सजा कुर्सी बेड और मेज से, कोई बाप अपना जमीन के साथ साथ जमीन भी बेच दिया परेशान होकर दहेज से। After marriage, if a father did not give too much dowry to their daughter, the boy's family abused to their daughter, and sometimes physical violence and mental pressure also. This is a very blunder issue for our country and our society. Girls is not object. We should understand girls is not object. They are also humans. And now we know that how we remove this culture from our society. How? What is the solution? Solution is that I am solution. You are solution. Everyone is solution, because we have to change our mindset. We have to increase our knowledge. Then dowry will automatically destroy from our country. Government make law, and our constitution also say that under Dowry Provision Act 1961, it is illegal. If you take dowry, if you give dowry, they both thing is illegal. This is against our constitution. So we should not give dowry. We should not take dowry, because but still people are taking, people are doing, people are giving. So we should understand. We have to understand, and we will destroy this culture from our society, because we are the youth and we should understand. We are the youth, and I want to say that in Hindi, हम इस देश के भविष्य हैं। हम लोग इस चीज़ को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग युवा हैं, नौजवान हैं। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि युवा शक्ति के बल पे ही जग की आज़ादी चलती है। संघर्षों की साये में घंघोर जवानी पलती है, ये देश उधर मुड़ जाता है जिस ओर जवानी चलती है। So we can remove this culture from our society. That's all, everyone. Thanks for giving your precious time. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.